Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the medallion and the cash incentives to our athletes.
Together we're a universe. We are a future world. Yes, we compete, but the greatest feat is when we win as one. We win as one, unconquered. We win as one, unbound. We share a single promise. We win as one. Yes, we compete, but the greatest feat is when we win. That's when we win. Yes, when we win, we win. We win as
Thank you very much, Paula, for that incredible performance. And now it's time to recognize and honor the remarkable achievements of our extraordinary athletes. We will begin with the awarding of medals for the first set. Our athletes have demonstrated exceptional skills, determination, and sportsmanship, and it's time to celebrate their hard work and dedication. May we invite our city officials on stage, headed by the Honorable City Mayor Son Legacion, and Superintendent Susan Coliano and ASDS Cecil Ferro, to award the first set of medals and commendations. May we request the Honorable